Hi everybody, hi. That's very normal. Hi. Nice. Hi Bhayandar people. Hi. Representation. I'm from Bhayandar and I'm like, wow, finally, Bhayandar in the house. They're like, we'll pay ticket money? No, we'll come for free. We'll come all the way to Bandra also. We love that. I love it. Do you know where Bhayandar is, USA? Where is it? It's after Borivali. That's Gujarat also. After Borivali is everything. Fuck you, dude. You must have seen Bhayandar behind taxis, right? That's where we've seen Bhayandar. It's like SL World, Bhayandar. That's the Lamba Bhada where they want to go, but nobody wants to go there either. Nothing comes to Bhayandar, right? No water, no electricity. Not even Kasab, not even terrorists come to Bhayandar. They're like, humne bare toll tumhari jaan lene ke liye. Fuck you, poor people. I grew up in Bhayandar, and Bhayandar is very crazy, okay? It's like fucking crazy town. A lot of straight people, I'm gay, but there's a lot of straight people in Bhayandar who would say stuff like this, okay? I'll tell you what. First of all the straight boys play cricket a lot, okay? That's what straight boys do. They play cricket once, and that's the entire personality for the rest of their lives. And, cool, I guess. And I was never good at sports, so I was a kacha limbu. You know what kacha limbu is? By virtue, you're not pakka, so you're between both teams. And I'm like, this suits me fine. More boys for me, yeah. You know? So I'm a young gay boy playing with them, and the baller would ball the ball. Is that how you say it? He would ball the ball, and the batsman would bat the ball, right? And if he was out, and he believed he was not out, the batsman would be like, "Tum muh mein lena." And the ball is like, "Tu de na." Like, tu le to sahi. Tu de to sahi. Half an hour is transaction happening. Ki tu lega kya? Tu dega kya? And the batsman is not... And the batsman is not describing it. Tu yahan pe aayega, main pant utarunga, chaldi tu muh khole. I'm like, kya ho raha hai? This is way more homoerotic than any gay porn I've ever watched in my entire life, okay? I'm like, main aau kya? Main pakka limbu banu at this point. Should I show you all how it's done? Fucking straight boys. Too much kabaddi happens in this country. Have you seen kabaddi? It's a fucking orgy. Ki just 10 log ek till he stops breathing. What the fuck, dude? Oh, fuck. Straight people. And when I was growing up gay, of course, because I was not... My hands are always like this, okay? It's always voguing for some reason. And they're like, you're wrong, okay? There's something wrong with you. And they would use all these bad words for me, okay? You're straight, sir? Yeah. Okay. I believe you, man. How about you, aerospace? Straight? And have you ever called any gay boys any bad names in your... Shut the fuck up. Lauda. Fucking... We have never been homophobic. We just called him Chakka sometimes. Fucking bastards. Have you called anybody Baila? Baila by any chance? Yeah? No? Good? Mamu, you've called somebody? The thing is, I'm going to tell you, it's okay, you can be honest because nothing offends us, okay? As gay people, we have a thick skin now. And when you tell all these words, we don't get offended by it because when they're like, too good hai. I'm like, I'm jaggery? Organic sugar replacement? Fuck yes, you know? They're like, too meeta hai. I'm a confectionery available at Haldiram's? Fuck yes, you know? Too fruit cake hai. I'm a cake full of fruits? Who's even offended at this point, right? They're like, too baila hai. I'm a Portuguese exotic dance form? Hooray, you know, like, not offended. If being gay makes me fruity, then being straight makes you a vegetable. That's what I'm saying. Fuck you guys. Then the worst one, okay? Like the worst one. This is definitely you call someone, okay? Where you go, ki tu gandu hai. Yeah? You've used gandu? Ki aaya na bhi waqat pe. Like, why gandu? Why do you call people gandu? You didn't know better. You're like, हाँ हमानत में हमको मिला था. Generations of people have been calling each other gandu, so we just learned from our family, okay? You know what gandu means? Gandu means to take it up the ass, okay? Not you, but like, I guess I. Okay, but gandu as a bad word is statistically incorrect, okay? Because not everybody in the community takes it up the ass, right? So somebody has to give it also. So all I'm saying is to every gandu, there's a landu also. You know what I'm saying? So, next time you want to be hateful towards gay people, ask us what we prefer and we'll tell you halfway, okay? We'll meet you halfway on that. It's crazy. I've been on Grindr a little while. You know what Grindr is? Grindr? Yeah? Not the chutney wala, okay, that your mom uses. That's a mixer. We have a Grindr, okay? Grindr is a dating app for gay people. You know what Tinder is? See, all this fucking straight... You frustrate me, straight people. Yeah, Tinder is cool. I'm gonna go to America and fuck chicks, bro. I'm learning my lefts and rights right now, bro. I'm learning hair colors, brunette, blonde. What are you talking about? Fuck Tinder, bro. Fuck, Tinder came after Grindr, okay? So, like, historically, all the cool things that we invent, all you shit people take and run away with that, okay? Like, I'm telling you, all the cool things historically happened to the gays first, okay? Like, online dating, Grindr came to us first. Britney Spears came to us first. TikTok came to us first. HIV, you know... Like, Naveen, that joke is insensitive. Don't do it. I'm like, oops, I did it again. You know who that is? It's Britney, bitch. Appreciate the culture. Fuck. They're like, free Britney. They're like, kitne bik rahi hai? Free? Chuthe log. I'm on Grindr, and the funny thing about Grindr is that Indian men, because we're in a conservative country, even after we got the right to have sex, they don't want to show their faces. Okay? Same thing on Tinder, this epidemic started now. Where they don't show their face. They show this much, from their chin to their belly button. इसका मैं क्या करूँ रमेश? ये निप्पल तेरी आंखें है, ये तेरा मुंह है, कुछ बोल, गांडू. How do you talk to this person, dude? Like, you go on a blind date with this person, you have to go to a cafe and tear everybody's shirt कि मेरा वाला कौन सा है, मेरा वाला इसका, who has the third nipple? Like, it's fucking... People hide their face because they are scared. One guy told me that I don't want somebody in my locality to see me on Grindr. I'm like, ये Facebook नहीं है, dude. सबकी आंटी नहीं है यहाँ पे. Grindr पे you have to be gay to make an account, which means that person in locality is also gay. जाके चोद उसको. What the fuck are you doing, dude? Lockdown में I wish I had somebody in my fucking building. I have a partner, but I still wish I had some. Sometimes you need, you know, variation. You need variants like Loki. Fuck, dude. So another thing is, like, I don't know. One guy told me, like, I want somebody to love me for my heart and not for my face. तो मैं CT scan डाल दे फिर छाती का भोसड़ी के. What the fuck? क्या दक करने लगा तेरा? There are married men on Grindr. There are men who actually get married. Okay, that's why they don't put their face, because they don't want their wife to find out. I'm like, you're married, you have a wife, you have a child. Why would you be on Grindr? And this is one thing that one man told me, okay? I'm not making this up, because you know how straight men are, right? He's like, see, Naveen, after childbirth, sometimes for some men, the vagina is not tight enough. That's why we prefer men, because then we can fuck their ass. And I'm like, last time I checked, both men and women have assholes, dude. So, अपनी बीवी को घुमाना तू. Why the fuck am I? कर उसको उल्टा. मैं क्यों अपना गान sacrifice करूँ तेरे लिए भोसड़ी के? It's always some fucking guy called Chinmay or something. You know what I'm saying? Fucking idiot. But there's one reason why people hide their face is because there are cops on Grindr. There are policemen who make accounts on Grindr and they say, I've seen your face, give me money or I'll tell your family. It's an extortion ring, okay, entirely. I mean, that's horrible. That's bad. But what if one cop finds the other cop on Grindr? Wouldn't that be romantic? Yeah, Tukaram too. Salunke too. आज रात को चौकी खाली है. You know what I'm saying? Down, 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 down. You bring the lathi, I bring the charge. You don't protest or I'll shoot my water cannon. Oh, fuck, dude. How to get cancelled in 2021. Last thing I want to talk about before I leave is I don't trust Google Maps. Because just the other day they sent me a notification कि hey Naveen, here's your June timeline. मैं कहीं नहीं गया, dude. मैं कहीं नहीं गया. क्या timeline? लौड़े का timeline. What the fuck, dude? And so I found out that they've been stalking me everywhere. I go and every day, you know, were you here? I was there, but why are you stalking me? They're like, sorry, forgot to ask you. Can we stalk you now? I'm like, no. And the thing is, they don't even stalk you correctly. Like, pre-lockdown times, I was traveling and I was near Santa Cruz and I was in a rickshaw, okay? Minding my business, music. Google Maps sent me an alert. Ki, hey, Naveen, how was your stay at Grand Hyatt? मैं रिक्शा में हूँ. Unless this is 5-star on wheels, I don't think I'm in Grand Hyatt, dude. So I look outside and Grand Hyatt, the gate is right there. But they think because of geolocation, I'm there. And I'm a local guide. So I have to give them some rating. So I'm like, you know what? 3 stars to Grand Hyatt. The hand job by the concierge was not good enough. I'm a kid from Bhayandar. Apne paas class nahi hai na. We just fucking forget. Rickshaw went aage. Google took that review and put it in the Grand Hyatt ka page now, dude. So everybody who Googles Grand Hyatt, first thing Naveen Narona, hand job at the concierge was not good enough, okay? That's not even the worst part. Now Grand Hyatt is responding to me. He's sorry Naveen, we'll serve you better next time. I was not even there. Here's my time pass now, because I can't go to these physical spaces and because I'm a poor kid from Bhayandar. I go to all these South Bombay restaurants and cafes and give them bad ratings. Like the Taj in Kolaba, I'm like, this is not even the real Taj. Where's Mumtaz ka body? Fuck you, 1 star. Fuck the algorithm. Go to Taj Lands Inn in Bandra, which is like a nice hotel. Taj Lands Inn. I'm like, this is wrong grammar. Taj land ends and ocean begins. Fuck you. 2 stars, Go to Oberoi. I'm like, Oberoi, great hotel, great staff, great service, great room. But can't sleep at night because of the gunshots, okay? So, Kasab and gang calm down for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do one last one-liner, which is a joke that appeases to everybody from Bandra East to Bandra West, okay? So, and you'll know why. I think Princess Diana is the inverse of Salman Khan, okay? I need to pause this joke because the people from Bhayandar have no idea who Princess Diana is. So I have to fucking set some context. Princess Diana? No idea, no? You know, na? Queen Elizabeth, पता है वो बुड्ढी? हाँ. उसकी बहू थी, क्योंकि बहू भी कभी जिंदा थी, okay वैसा. You know Princess Diana? Like, I'm going to US. I don't give a fuck about UK people. Okay, let me repeat. I think Princess Diana is the inverse of Princess Salman. Oh fuck. हमारे आंखों का थारा. Fuck. Okay, last time. I'm not going to do the Jia thing. I'm going to rewind. Okay. Zoop. Okay. I think Princess Diana is the inverse of Salman Khan. Okay, why? Because Princess Diana did nice things throughout her life, did charity, and then had a car accident. Alright, that's my time. Thank you for coming out, you guys. Means a lot to us. Good night. Bye-bye.